In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly to Typeform. By the end, your form will include a built-in scheduler so people can book time with you without leaving the page, making sign-ups and consultations much smoother. Start by heading to Typeform and opening the form you want to edit in the builder. Make sure you're in the Create or Edit view so you can add new blocks. Choose the place in your form where scheduling makes the most sense, typically after you've collected the key information you need. Next, click Add Content. This opens the content panel where you can insert different blocks. From here, select Calendly. This adds a Calendly scheduling block to your form, which will display your available event types to respondents. Typeform will now prompt you to connect your Calendly account. Click Authenticate. A window will open asking you to sign in and approve access so Typeform can show your event availability. Follow the prompts, and once authorized, you'll be taken back to your form with the connection in place. If you're already connected, you'll see confirmation right away. Back in the Calendly block settings, open the drop-down labeled Select an Event Type and choose the specific meeting you want to offer, like a discovery call or a demo. If you have multiple event types, pick the one that fits the purpose of this form. Your event's rules, such as duration, buffers, and time zone behavior, are managed in Calendly itself, and Typeform will respect those settings. To give respondents more context, click Yes, Show Details. This option displays helpful information from your event, such as duration and location, so people understand exactly what they're booking. Clear details reduce back and forth and improve completion rates. When you're happy with the configuration, click Save. This commits your settings and embeds the live scheduler into the form. You'll see the block update to reflect your chosen event type. Finally, update the description for this block. Add a short, friendly message that sets expectations, such as what the call is for or what to prepare. Keep it concise and inviting, so respondents feel confident proceeding. Good copy here can make a big difference in conversions. That's it. You've linked Calendly to Typeform, enabling respondents to fill out your questions and pick a time in one smooth flow. Your bookings will appear in Calendly, and you can match them with form responses for easy follow-up and context. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined scheduling experience.